Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog that we have today, basically like a day in my life. So I did just make a list of the things that I will be doing today. Firstly, I need to clean my bathroom. I need to go to the store to get some more cleaning products so that I can clean my bathroom. I have some homework to get done, mainly an essay that I have to work on. It's due at the end of this week, but I want to get a head start. I wrote down to eat. I always have to remind myself because sometimes the days can just get so busy that I am going, I forget. So we got that on there. And I have to repaint my nails. I don't do gel, so it's just a reality. Like, they always tend to chip, so I want to just repaint them. And then I'm going to pack. Actually, I'm planning a overnight trip, so I'll let you guys know a little bit more about that. It's going to be in its own vlog as well, but I do have to pack for that tonight. So firstly, I'm just going to get myself something to eat. Then I will go to the store and then we'll work on cleaning the bathroom. When you see the bathroom, you're gonna be like, what's going on? What's going on with her? But I promise it's not always crazy like that. It's just been a really busy week with work. So let's just get right into the video. So I want to show you guys my outfit. I have on this top here from Zara. I really like this detailing here. This is from their fall collection of last year. And then I also have on these kind of taupe colored flare sweatpants. I'll show you guys the bottom. They're super comfortable. I really love them for, you know, just like a casual dress up, dress down outfit. Sometimes I have to fold them up in the back because Zara clothes, I don't know why, they just have a lot of extra fabric. Like, why so much? Even this shirt, it's a size small and it just has all this should be like this, you know? Anyway, this is the fit girl, so I'm gonna put my shoes on obviously before I go out to the store. I'll show you those then. Brunch, and I'm having a little bit of orange juice. I only put a little bit because these drinks are really high in sugar, so don't judge me, but I fill the rest up with water. And that's my drink right there. So yes, I'm going to enjoy my brunch, and I'll see you guys when I get to the store. This is my full outfit. Jacket is from H&M. I got it a few years ago. Top is Zara. Sweats are Zara. Shoes are Louis Vuitton. The runway sneaker and monogram. And yeah, girls, this is it. So off we go to the store. If anyone's used this before or this, y'all let me know. It's like the foaming spray. I'm debating between those, this one, and these ones over here. So we'll see which one I go with. I literally spent way too much, bruh. Way too much on cleaning stuff, and then all of a sudden I had to get some more grocery stuff that I needed, and it just ended up being just so much. But anyway, we are back. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, and yeah. So you'll be seeing these later. I So I have this vase in the bathroom and I haven't found anything to put in it yet. I really wanted dried eucalyptus. That was the vibe that I was going for, but they didn't have any at the store, so I just bought a few bunches. These are, this is lily grass, and then this is also lily grass mix, and then some baby's breath. So you'll see those in a bit. Let's see, I just bought food items, like just stuff I need to hurry up on. I got more turkey bacon. How's that? Yeah, I got more turkey bacon. I got some grapes. I got some steak. I'm probably gonna have this for dinner tonight. Some milk. I got some more of this probiotic kefir. They didn't have the little mini ones that I usually get, so I just want a big one, and I'll measure that out. Maple syrup. I was running low. I realized I was running low when I made the oatmeal this morning. Cheese sticks, pre-cut broccoli. I'm also gonna have this with the steak. Have to crunch. Don't tell anybody. Mind your business, okay? Mind your business. That's it. Mind your business. I got some more bananas, some eggs. I hate mixing the food and cleaning products, but these are the bags that I brought, so this was it. I got some paper plates because I don't know how you guys feel. Please let me know below. But literally, I live alone. Okay, so I'm the only one that's gonna be doing my dishes, and I feel like after I've made breakfast, lunch, and dinner, my sink accumulates, and it's just me. So I bought some paper plates so that I can just have my quick meals on this and don't have to worry about doing dishes. I can just toss it when I'm done. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know what you do. Let me know. But I do want to say, if we are doing paper plates or styrofoam plates, don't do styrofoam. That's all I can say. When you put heat on styrofoam, you know, sometimes it like burns through. That can't be good. That can't be good for us to like ingest what's on that plate after it's burnt through the styrofoam. So if we are doing throwaway plates, make sure they're paper. That's all I gotta say about that. Okay, so for the cleaning products that I decided to go with, I went with this one right here. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter. I figure I can just use this on, you know, the edges of the tub and alongside the walls, and also on the shower curtain. So I got this one, and then I also got this right here, the Clorox Bathroom Bleach Foamer. I decided I need at least one product that has bleach in it, so this one will be it as well. I can use it maybe on more of like a kind of every other day basis to just spray alongside the walls. I also got some of these air fresheners. Now, I usually don't, okay, I'll just show you one. I'll show you guys the one that I usually use. This is the one that I've been loving. This is by a brand called Abby and Sullivan, Fresh Scent, Fresh Laundry Scent. This is more my vibe, but this is so expensive because you buy it and then you have to pay for shipping. Whether you get it on Amazon, whether you get it from the site directly, you have to pay for shipping for just this bottle. So I'm not trying to order it all the time. So for, you know, a little like after cooking, want to smell good, kind of air the place out, I just get these Glade ones, and I really like the lavender. This is lavender and vanilla. Love this one. This is more like a fresh lemony smell for like after cooking and stuff. I also got this room spray. This is by Botanica. It's fresh pineapple and Tunisian rosemary. Never heard of that, but it smells pretty good. It's like a sweet scent. I figure I could use this in the bathroom as well to like make it smell good. And lastly, I got a scrubbing brush. I have one, I'll show you here. I got this from IKEA. The problem is something in these bristles, it scratches stainless steel, so I have to be really careful using this one. So I went and got this one. They had this at the grocery store. It's by Dawn. It's called a mini kitchen brush, and I'm going to use this in the bathroom as well. Oh, lastly, this is the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. I have a dishwasher. The few times that I have used it, it's left streaks on my dishes, so I tend to just do everything by hand. But my grandparents visited, and I told them about that. I'm like, I got streaks on my thing. They're like, you using the blue liquid? They're very Italian. So they're like, using the blue liquid? You gotta use the blue liquid. I'm like, what is this blue liquid? Never heard of it. So they put me on. This is what I have to use in conjunction with the pods or whatever. So I already had these from the times I tried, and I'm like, put this and this, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm gonna put away all my food items, and then we're gonna get to cleaning, y'all. Let's go. Okay, so I put that grass in there. Now let's see, should we put this one? How do we think that will look? Or the baby's breath? Why don't we put a little bit of both? All right, girls, what do we think? I think I really like it. Let me get this all cleaned up. Hey guys, so it's later on in the evening. I'm looking like it is 12 o'clock right now, like 12 a.m. and my flight is at 7, so we just got a deal. I have started to pack everything. I'm gonna show you. Got my brush, deodorant, lotion. This is my like exfoliating. I have some jewelry in here. What else? My toothbrush. And then this are both my makeup kits. How beautiful does this look? I mean, I'm so happy that we did this arrangement together. So this is the mess that I have created trying to pack my clothes. I still don't know what I'm bringing, what I'm not bringing. So I don't know, but I'm so sleepy. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna finish packing and I'm going to shower, and then yes, I will see you guys in my next vlog. The next vlog is going to be the travel vlog, so stay tuned to see where I go. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.